So we found a skate park.
Very niche little, it's not even a skate park. It's
Well,
a children's playground / skate park.
Damn, bro, where'd you get your slick shades from?
These are mine.
No, they ain't. Yes or no?
This is Chaps Ralph and the old brand. I don't know when they stopped making it, but if you want to get it, it's definitely a vintage item now. This has just got a nice knit material to it. It says extra large, but it says medium, never mind. That's why it doesn't fit me.
I'm saying we haven't really bought band t-shirts before, have we?
No, but band t-shirts are quite big, to be fair. I wasn't going to start buying them until I noticed that the people were selling them for good price stuff. Those sort of bands.
And even stuff like 2-pack and Biggie t-shirts, they can go for quite a lot.
2-pack t-shirts go for
a bomb. So you've got the Levi piece on.
We've had this for ages, but we decided to keep it for a while, but now it's time for it to go. This is a absolute charity shop find. I think we paid something like £3 for it.
Adidas yellow jumper.
But you can have it for 40. Finally down to the last item. We're really happy to go home. We've been here for just about
84 years.
I don't know, to be fair. It's been long enough. Who wants to see Meels get naked?
Woo!
You.
You started off...
Hustle.
You started off in 2016, didn't you?
Yeah, selling... I found a place in Sheffield, that's where I used to go to university, where I could buy battered waxed barber jackets, very cheap.
Like falling apart.
Yeah, originally the idea was to say for example there's a big rip in it, we sew like a teeth marks into the rip or something, so it's upcycling. Made our own wax with rosemary scent in it and honeybee wax.
Hence the name Wax. And you would literally wax the barber jackets on my mum's kitchen island.
Did a few at uni as well.
With my mum's hairdryer, setting it all in.
I met a wholesaler, didn't we? Martin, a bloke from Stourbridge. We started getting a few different items from him. Buying and selling originally online. So, well, good items that were...
In a poor condition. But
no, not poor condition, poor listing. So for example, the person would take like one picture with their potato of a nice item. After the description it'd be something like Ralph Lauren, spelled completely wrong, with a shit picture. I'd buy it for next to nothing and resell it with my not commission markup on it. But I started off just selling Tommy Hilfiger and Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren's been my favourite brand for a long time. I used to have a Ralph Lauren shirt collection with about 40 shirts in, one for each day of the month.
Yeah. 5 top tips for if you're starting out, I would say. Take good pictures. They don't have to be amazing, but just make them stand out, whether that's the colour.
Modelled photos tend to sell better.
So it wants to be modelled, stand out, maybe bold colours or something interesting. Just make it a bit quirky. I think secondly, pick items that you would wear. Not always, because there are some things that you can see there's value in it, but that you could sell.
Price is everything.
A key strategy, yeah.
The cheaper you can buy it, I know it's a no-brainer, but if you can buy it cheap, you can sell it cheap, and people want cheap clothes. That's what Depop, that's what the app's all about. The app's all about.
Is that 3 tips?
That's 3. It's all about turnover. You've got to be able to turn over as quickly as you can, so you can get more stock, turn it over.
The 4th tip would be don't neglect charity shops. You would be amazed at the things that you can find in charity shops.
3 best finds in a charity shop.
Burberry.
YSL.
And
that was a big spell-out item as well.
It was a silk shirt as well. We found a silk shirt. We found a yellow Dior.
Christian Dior silk shirt.
And usually they're in immaculate condition.
Oh, another one. So when you're sourcing your items, be sure to go to vary it. So one day you go to a charity shop, the next day you see a wholesaler, but you need the money to go and see a wholesaler. And online, like people who sell on Depop, they buy from Depop as well. We buy loads of things from Depop. People who are listing things, and you think you can get, you know, either they're listing it too cheap or the listing's not very good. Make an offer, send it, you know, take it, get it, take better pictures, sell it for more markup.
Look at local events around your area as well. So if there's kilo sales, or even if there's just vintage fairs, like it's always worth having a look. Instagram is really important.
Last one, yeah, advertising platforms.
Instagram, put yourself out there, make people know what you're about. Give yourself a presence. We work with certain influencers, and I would say we've had really bad experience with influencers, really bad, but we've also had really positive ones. You can build really good relationships with them, and they want to help you just as much as you want to help them. It's just about getting a good relationship with them. And
so another shout out, check out Jess Geary online and Em's Button.
Yeah, they're both brilliant. Working with Lewis Massey as well.
If you're at the stage where you're getting an influencer, make sure your brand looks good, make sure that your page looks professional, because they'll want to, you know, that's what you're trying to reflect. There's no point spending money on an influencer if you're going to drive the traffic to your page and your content isn't
and people are going
very good.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. Hope you enjoyed this first video. We thought we'd give you a bit of a behind the scenes look at what we do and how we do it. So yeah. Like, subscribe, don't forget to follow, I don't know. Cool. But yeah, hope it could be helpful. See you later.